welcome to my channel at Baltimore City. You coming, just enjoy the weather and beautiful and hot. Let's go enjoy the view. Let's go see something with me. Okay, Baltimore, Maryland, America. Here, guys. Right here. Oh, take so slow. You should just sit with it. There you go. Beautiful here. Look like Bahama a little bit that side. Try to be with the water. Huh? Come on here. Oh. Just enjoy the water, huh? European club. I cannot believe so lot of Muslim people here, huh?
I think because they had the convention.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Remember, they always.
Oh man, so dirty. What they throw in there? The water. Oh, it's so dirty. I'll go back to the bathroom again before I hit the car.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So busy. The dog is like an owner. Two, three, 4 years, 5 years ago. 4, 5 years ago. Need to come here like often now. A lot have place to sit down, you know. A lot of them. Yeah, they're still on. Oh, they're still on the ride, huh? I cannot believe it.
See the sign?
What side? Right here?
Right here.
When you come in, you don't have to be rushed. You see, that's good. Don't need to be rushed. You come this way, right? This way. We can walk to this way. Oh, you have to go across the. No, we can go across this one too, right? Either way, okay. That's the boat you say you want to come in here, but we don't come in, you know.
No, this is another ship. Hello, sir. Can you take out picture?
Yeah, next time. Yeah, next time I want to see submarine boat how they look like. Look like the movie I see. Then we get in submarine boat. I will go. Huh? That's a long. Wow. They got GPS too for the scooter. I hear that. That's very long. Oh, oyster shell right here. Why did they want to grow back? That's why they do that, you know. They grow. I see. Yep. They have somewhere to relaxing. It's just good. No matter what they say, they said Asian, fusion Asian expert. I think gotta be the Mary ex-husband, you know? Yeah, I remember that now. Yeah, I remember. Yes,
This whole thing right here.
I remember. Yes, I remember. They're still on. They're still open.
Yeah, they own.
Oh, this is a beautiful right here. Wow, this is beautiful view right here.
Not here in the middle of it.
Beautiful. Yeah, very nice and clean, this one.
At least you stick to this.
Very nice and clean, yeah, yep.
You don't go all like just trying to do everything.
Yeah, nice and clean. Okay.
Still there playing.
Yeah, that's a playground.
I've never seen a swing like that.
Any kind of swing.
It's a big swing.
Playground. This building look like a cartoon look. This building right here. Beautiful view. Take a picture. Beautiful view. What about what?
Everybody, they get together. Oh,
Okay, now we hit the road, Jack. Going home. And with your beautiful car right here. Beautiful car, you know. Okay. Go home. Okay. Let's go home. You know, let's go home. jail come to football on the way home ไปแล้วกลับบ้านแล้วทุกคน